What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. This is the first video on our channel and or our second video. And today we are going to be working on this mini bike that I have bought. I'm gonna post a picture of it right here. This is how it looked in the original state when I first got it. The guy I bought it from, he had it sitting in his garage for like 2 years. I think he said a year and a half, something like that. It had a hole in the back tire, and also it needed a tune up for sitting for a while. Um, I kind of got antsy with the whole build because I work a lot